If a glossary isn't created and integrated into a translation project, the results can be disastrous. This is because in many languages, the same meaning can be conveyed in a variety of words or phrases. However, choosing the wrong word or phrase can distort the meaning of the entire translation and even damage the reputation of the company. Therefore, professional translators use glossaries for terminology management. Here are 3 tips for using glossaries effectively. First of all, have separate glossaries for each target language. This may sound obvious, but what isn't so obvious is that you should also have separate glossaries for different language variations. So, if you're targeting Germany, Switzerland, and Austria, you should create separate glossaries for all 3 variations of German. Secondly, have separate glossaries for different types of content. It's a good idea to have glossaries that are tailored to each specific type of content, such as technical manuals versus marketing materials. The type of content will also influence whether terms should be localized or kept in English. For example, in the technology sector in German, computer science uses a lot of English terms such as software, server, online, and website. And finally, the glossary should include a list of terms which should remain in English and never be translated. For example, product names are typically not translated, and having those terms in your glossary will ensure that this happens. Can you think of any other tips for using glossaries for terminology management? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about terminology management, check out our full guide on our self-learning platform.